So in life, you're not afraid to try. You must not be afraid to try whatever it is that you want to try. You know, a lot of times what we're afraid of is making mistakes or self-going fail. But if you're born, when you're born as a baby, if you're placed to lie down every day and never placed on the floor where you're going to try and stand up, you're going to creep, and then try and stand up, you tumble, you fall over. If you don't go through that process, then you'll never learn to walk. Now, you see in front of you my seedling bed. So I did that little farming thing before, and it flourished the first time, you know, nice as you guys would have seen. And then I realized that I just can't catch back the same formula again. And I was wondering, you know, what happened? And no matter what I planted, they just didn't come back and look so lush and beautiful. So alright, need to go back to the drawing board and get some info. Because the green thumb look like it on yellow thumb. But what I realized is that beneath the soil there is marl. So the first time when I planted I had good topsoil there, but the rain caused the soil to leach, to wash down into the marl. So once the plant roots touch the marl, then they turn them in yellow because there's no nutrients in that. And I said, oh zine, so but we and come again and rather had this not a competition, a giveaway. You have to apply for some stuff, and I sent in application. I got a fork and garden shovel and this seedling tray and some seeds, tomato, pak choy and some other stuff. So say alright, did my little research and go wheel and come again with the gardening. And this is a nice time of year to plant also. It's not so hot. You know, Jamaica sun scorching, and we get some amount of rain. So what I do is I set something to catch the rainwater and use it to water the plants when they come. So right here we have some if you notice some of the areas there. So even this was a learning process because I got some dirt with it to plant the seeds in, and I put the dirt in the specific areas, but when I started watering it, next day when I came back I realized that guys, just big up on yourself and look forward to more.